10 bad bitches in a mash. Wrist on Millie, rock them down.
What is up? So it's like 2 a.m. and I look crazy. So I flat ironed my hair recently, and before my hair shrivels back up, I wanted to come and show this really quick video on how to make this new ponytail that I saw. So there's this new thing, I don't know how new, I found out about it I guess pretty late, and it's called a wrap ponytail. So I made one because I was like, I'm not spending $25 on a ponytail. So I'm gonna show y'all how to make it, even though I can't find my hair thread. So I'm just gonna show you the technique, you know, tell you what to do, how I did it, and so you can make you a little wrap ponytail and save $25. First thing you're gonna need is like an old wig, preferably a half wig, and this is one of my old Annie wigs, Ultra Annie. She looks a little straight because I had to blow dry it to like get the snap back. So yeah, so what I did was I flipped the wig inside out like this, and you're just gonna cut right where this like lace looking stuff is. You're just gonna cut this circle, that's it. And then also you're gonna cut out this big old comb, okay? So when that's cut out, you're going to get something that looks like this. Now, I happen to keep one of the adjustable straps in there. I feel like it adds more security, but this is an old wig comb that I cut out of the wigs because I hate when it like digs into your scalp, you know. So I cut that out, and literally all you have to do is take your needle and thread and sew a comb right in the middle. Boom, right there in the middle, and you are done. It's basically free because you already have the hair and the comb from your other wig. Or actually, you could even cut this comb out right here and just like snip it to where it's only like 4 or 5 prongs, and sew that bit down right there, and you done. Like, you're done. So I'm just show you how it works, because literally, y'all, this is exactly this. I don't know why they're charging $25. Like, it's literally exactly the front of a half wig. So I'm just gonna show you and demonstrate. I'm gonna brush my hair up. So we're gonna try to gather all our hair up into the smallest bun we can, okay? And gather it. I'm gonna try to, because it's poofing up, so I'm trying not to make this bun too big. Okay. I think that's small enough. Yeah. Okay. There. Your comb would normally be right here, and you would attach it this way, right? But I don't have the comb, or I have it obviously, but I'm not attaching it. So what you can also do is attach it with a bobby pin, or way at the very end like I do. So place your thing, my jig in the middle, and then take the end of one side hair and wrap it around the base. Okay, and then you can add a bobby pin, but I didn't because I just kind of tucked it right in there and it feels secure enough for me. So now I'm going to take the other side and wrap it around and take the very end of the other side and right where the other piece that I wrapped, I'm gonna go right on top of that and wrap it around for extra security. And this I'm pulling kind of tight, but not like to where it's gonna give me a headache. Okay, now we're gonna take our brush, we're gonna brush it out. There you have it, you have a ponytail. Now obviously my hair is not matching my ponytail right now, and my edges are not done or any of that. So I personally feel like the wrap ponytails, like, they look like this, they look okay, you know, but I personally feel like they look better as like a low ponytail, because, you know, when you have like a top ponytail, you want to be extra dramatic sometimes, but whatever. You can also turn it into a top knot. So just gather all the hair and kind of twist it. And then bobby pin it, but like I said, I lost my bobby pin. And you could do your little sideburns or like some chopsticks from the beauty supply store. I feel like that would look cute. And you hook up your edges and, like, girl, you're gonna be popping. So there you go. It was free, and you just have everything sitting at home. You know, use your old wigs, don't throw them away yet. So yeah, you're welcome. Until next time, toodaloo.